Welcome to Lesson 5, Overcoming Execution Barriers in AI Projects. In this lesson, we'll explore the common challenges organizations face during AI implementation, such as talent gaps, legacy systems, and stakeholder resistance. You'll learn practical strategies to address these barriers, ensuring smoother implementation and greater success in your AI projects. Here's what we'll cover today. First, we'll identify the key execution barriers in AI projects. Then, we'll analyze strategies to address talent gaps, legacy systems, and stakeholder resistance. We'll also examine real-world examples of how organizations have successfully overcome these challenges. By the end of this lesson, you'll have actionable insights to align technical and organizational strategies for AI success. AI projects often face significant barriers. Talent gaps arise from a lack of expertise. Legacy systems can obstruct integration due to outdated infrastructure. Stakeholder resistance, often fueled by fears of job displacement or ethical concerns, can slow progress. In addition, data challenges like siloed or low-quality data and cultural resistance hinder cross-functional collaboration. Recognizing these barriers is the first step to overcoming them. Talent gaps are one of the most common barriers in AI projects. To address this, start by upskilling your internal teams through certifications and hands-on training. For specialized expertise, strategic hiring is essential. Partner with universities or recruit at tech events. Finally, foster collaboration by pairing AI experts with domain specialists. Mentorship programs and communities of practice can maximize knowledge sharing and accelerate learning. Legacy systems often create barriers to AI adoption. One solution is API-based integration, which connects AI systems to existing tools without disrupting workflows. Another approach is phased modernization, where critical components are upgraded gradually. Lastly, middleware solutions act as a bridge between old and new technologies, enabling seamless data exchange while maintaining security and performance. Stakeholder resistance can stem from fears of job loss or a lack of understanding about AI's benefits. To overcome this, use transparent communication, host discussion groups, and share clear roadmaps. Inclusive design involves stakeholders in planning and ensures their input shapes AI tools. Finally, offer reskilling opportunities to help employees adapt to AI-driven roles, demonstrating that AI enhances jobs rather than replacing them. Let's look at a real-world example. A retail company implemented an AI customer segmentation tool. They faced two challenges: a lack of AI skills among marketing analysts and resistance from employees fearing job loss. To address this, they launched a training program with hands-on AI tools and paired analysts with mentors. Town halls demonstrated how AI would enhance, not replace roles. The result? Conversion rates increased by 24% and acquisition costs dropped by 18%. Here are some practical tips for success. Proactively identify barriers through interviews and audits. Align AI goals with business objectives to ensure stakeholder buy-in. Foster collaboration through cross-functional teams. Communicate regularly with employees to build trust and transparency. Finally, monitor progress using clear KPI descriptors for both technical and organizational success. These practices create a foundation for overcoming barriers effectively. Now it's your turn. Imagine your organization is deploying an AI-powered chatbot. Identify at least two potential barriers, such as data silo issues or stakeholder resistance. Then propose actionable solutions for each barrier. Once you've developed your plan, discuss it with your peers. This activity will help you apply today's strategies to real-world challenges, ensuring a practical understanding of overcoming execution barriers. Today, we learned that execution barriers in AI projects include talent gaps, legacy systems, and stakeholder resistance. Address talent gaps with upskilling, strategic hiring, and collaboration. Modernize legacy systems through API, phased upgrades, and middleware. Build stakeholder buy-in with transparent communication, inclusive design, and reskilling. By proactively tackling these challenges, organizations can ensure smoother AI implementation. Thank you for your participation today. In our next lesson, we'll explore adaptive leadership and AI transformation, focusing on how leaders can foster resilience, innovation, and collaboration in AI projects. As you reflect on today's lesson, consider the barriers your organization faces and how you can apply these strategies to overcome them. See you in the next session.